So a lot of people thought I came to Colorado to snowboard. Nah. I came for these Pop-Tarts, baby. Colorado 2019. Last time I was here was me and my boy Fabio. This time, my boy Dave is tagging along with us. What could possibly go wrong? I was in Colorado, went to go eat. Dave and Fabio went to go collect some of Colorado's finest. I'm having an issue with this Tiguan, so it's going back. I'm getting something else. It's trash. Volkswagen. I'm going back. I'm going back to the rental shop and hopefully get another car. That's it. So after settling at the cabin, we decided to hit the road and try to get to the mountain early. Figured it was the first day, decided, we didn't want to go too hard. But at the same time, why not?
Yo, Dave. Yo, Dave. Dave's out there somewhere. There you go. Damn it. I lost everybody. Yeah, the west side. Where you at?
I stopped. There's a spot for the east one.
Alright, yeah, so come through. Yo, where you at?
I'm at on the center left by like the alright, so go up and I'll meet you there.
Oh, up at the top? My heart rate is like skyrocketing right now. I'm waiting for Fabio and Dave to come up right now. And we're gonna tackle that bad boy right there. Legit, all I'm doing is breathing. And I gotta catch my breath. What is life? I'm exhausted. Be back again, baby. Go make I earn these runs. Earn these runs, baby. Shit. Fam, don't contemplate life, baby. Don't look into the light. It's been 2 hours. Nah, this plane is only been like 5 minutes. We almost there though. So after a subtle hike, took a tiny break to enjoy the sights, and went right back into it.
Jesus. Come on.
We ended up taking a lift back up, rendezvoused with my boy Dave.
Oh, you mean there, straight ahead, you mean? Alright, you ready?
Just as the mountain was closing, it started to snow, and I ended up losing Dave and Fabio again, so I took a couple tree runs, met with them back at the bottom, and then took a nice drive home back to the cabin.